guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I'm trying to get back on a regular filming schedule. It's taken me a while, so thank you to all of you guys that have been sticking around. Today I wanted to bring to you my interpretation of a My Little Pony look. This is Pinkie Pie, obviously, and this video is in collaboration with Pretty Little Thing. Most of the products that I use for this look can be found on their website, so I'm going to have all of those products linked down below for you guys. Make sure you check out their website. I know they're mostly known for their fashion products, but they have a ton of really awesome beauty products on there as well, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something cool today. Even if you don't want to do this entire look, I'm sure there are certain elements that you can take inspiration from, maybe for a festival look, things like that. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it.
So before jumping into the makeup, I just wanted to show you this really cute top that I paired with this look from Pretty Little Thing. It's like this faux leather pink bandeau. So cute. Also, I always wear sweatpants when I'm filming, and these sweatpants are also from Pretty Little Thing. They're these like snakeskin print sweatpants, and I will link those down below as well because they are super comfy. Anyways, jumping into the makeup, I'm starting off by priming my face as usual. This is a Nip Fab Unicorn Essence, just adding some moisture to my skin before we go in with our base. And next I'm going to be using this brush set. I'm going to be using these brushes for basically this whole look. They are the Spectrum Disney brushes, and I'm obsessed. So I have my little reference photo of Pinkie Pie there to make sure I get the colors right. So I am going in with a light pink base. I just mixed a white cream makeup with a little bit of a magenta just to get a nice pink base going on. I didn't want it to be too dark. I wanted it to be a pretty light pink. And this foundation brush helped to blend the colors out really, really well. After you are done with the cream, you're going to want to set everything with a powder to make sure the cream doesn't slip and slide everywhere. I was so excited for this Carnival palette, the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. I hadn't tried it before, and it was on the Pretty Little Thing website, so I had to grab it. It has a lot of different pops of color, but also a lot of neutrals too, so it's a super versatile palette. So even a pony needs some snatched cheekbones and some contouring. So I'm taking this hot pink shade, and I'm adding this to all the normal places that you would contour. This is going to add some definition and also a nice pop of color against the light pink base that we have going on. And jumping into the eyes, I'm taking that same shade and I'm going on the outer corner, bringing that through the crease of the eye and making sure to blend it out so the edges are nice and diffused. And I'm also bringing that down to contour the nose a little bit. And then I took this smaller shader brush and I am doing packing motions to put that on the lower lash line. And then I'm taking this deeper pink and I'm focusing that on the outer corner of the eye just to add even more depth. So you could definitely do this eye for like a festival look. If you don't want to do like this whole pink thing we have going on, you can definitely take certain elements of this look. And then I'm also taking that dark pink, focusing that on the inner portion of the eye, and then I am blending that onto the lower lash line as well. And then I found this really fun unicorn glitter palette on their website, and I thought this would be a really awesome palette for a My Little Pony look. It has lots of super shimmery shades and some really fun glitters. So I took a pink pigment, popped that on the center of the lid, and then I topped that with a little bit of glitter. And I really like glitter palettes lately. They're a lot less messy than loose glitter because we all know that glitter gets everywhere. And to highlight my cheekbones, I'm taking this Angel palette from Lime Crime. Pretty Little Thing has a lot of Lime Crime products on their website, which is awesome because I love using Lime Crime for my more creative looks. They have a lot of fun highlights and lip products and things like that. So I wanted to do a deeper pink to kind of contrast from the light pink base that we have going on. So I'm just taking a magenta lip liner, I'm lining my lips, and then I'm going to be filling them all the way in until they are opaque. I also found this on the website, which is one of the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers, and these are so gorgeous. They dry down, so they don't have a glossy finish. They have like a matte finish, so you don't have to worry about them like smudging everywhere. They're so beautiful. And I also wanted to add a little bit of glitter on my cheeks because I felt like the look was a little incomplete. I was like, I need a little something more. So I took that same glitter we used on the eye, and I'm just popping that on the cheekbones and also on the bridge of the nose. taking these Pretty Little Thing lashes in the style Jamie. These are so gorgeous. You guys know I love super dramatic lashes. These are also wispy at the same time as being dramatic. They're so pretty. And Pinkie Pie has some pretty big lashes, so I thought these suited the look pretty well. Pinkie Pie also has some bold lashes on the bottom, so I took some little segments of lashes that I cut up and I put 2 pieces underneath each eye. And that is pretty much it for the face. And for a look like this, you're going to want to obviously cover any of your skin that's going to be showing in the base color. So I took the same paint that we used on the face and I'm just putting that on my neck, shoulder area, and down my chest a little bit. Any area that's going to be showing in the photos that I'm going to be taking of this look. Once I had that all down, I set it with translucent powder, and then I am just shading the top of the neck area with the same magenta shadow. And then I just popped on a pink wig. In a perfect world, I would have preferred a darker pink since Pinkie Pie has a dark pink mane, but I made do.
So this is the completed look. Let me know if you guys want me to create any other My Little Pony looks or what other cosplays you would like me to create. Please leave me a comment down below. Again, I will have all the links to the products I use in this video, so make sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!